Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic, Algebraic Manipulation. From this video, we are going to start a new episode based on simplify the fraction. Let's start. Simplify the following fraction. Here is a two term a square plus ab divided a square minus ab times ab square plus b cube divided a cube plus a square b. So first we can take common from first term. Here this one is first term and this one is second term. Okay, so from first term first we take common a, so a plus b, because a square we can take common a, so 1a is remaining. Same in denominator, here is a, so a minus b times, here we can take common, here is ab square plus b cube, so we can take common b square, and here is a plus b. Denominator we can take common a square, so a plus b. Now look, we can cut this a and this a, also this a plus b, divide a plus b, so we can cut this one. So our answer is b square a plus b and a square a minus b. So this is very easy math, so hope you understand this one. Let's start another one. Number 2, we can consider this one is number 2 and first one number 1. Here is also two term. First one is a plus 5b divide a square plus 6ab times a cube plus 6a square b and divide ab plus 5b square. First we will think what can we take common. So here is a plus 5b, we cannot take anything, and denominator we can take common a, so here is a plus 6b. Okay, next here is a cube and also here is a square, so we can take common a square, so here is a plus 6b. Okay, and denominator we can take common b, so here is a plus 5b. Look, lots of thing we can cut, like here is a plus b and here is a plus 5b and a plus 5b, also here is a plus 6b and a plus 6b, and also here is a square and here is a, we can cut and we can write a. So our answer is numerator is a and denominator is b. This is our fraction. So a long fraction we just simplify like this way. Number 3, here is x minus y divide y plus x divide y minus x divide x plus y. So it's also similar math. First term we can write, here is x minus y. Look, y plus x and x plus y is the same thing, we can write like this, divide this one y minus x, if we take common minus, so we can write x minus y, and here is x plus y. Okay, now x minus y, x plus y. For divide, once we make multiplication, denominator and numerator will be exchanged, so here x plus y become numerator and minus x minus y, now it's numerator, it will become denominator, so minus x minus y. Okay, so look, what can we do? Here is x plus y and here is x plus y, we can cut, and here is x minus y and here is x minus y, you can cut, so here is 1 and 1, we can write minus 1. Minus 1 is our answer. If you have any question, just put on your comments in comments box. Number 4, before starting the math we know the algebraic cycle, like this one is a, this one is b, this one is c. We can write ab, bc, ca. This is a circle. Okay, So look, same thing, P Q R. We can write PQ, QR and QR and then RP. So here is P minus Q. Okay, no problem. We can write here is P minus Q and here is P minus R. We just take common minus R. So here is R minus P. We just follow circle rule. Then times here is Q minus R. Okay, but here is Q minus P. We can take common minus, so it will become P minus Q. Same thing, here is R minus P. We just take common minus, so it will become Q minus R. Okay, now look, this one is P minus Q and here is P minus Q. We can just cut this one, R minus P, and here is R minus P. We can cut, and here is Q minus R and here is Q minus R. We can cut. Look, here is minus minus minus. Once we multiply 3 minus, it will become minus, and on after division the answer is 1. So our answer also minus 1. This is our answer. Look, this is minus, don't take it anything, this is minus 1. Okay, so this video we try to solve at least 5 math. Okay, simplify 5 math. Okay, let's start again. Number 5, here is c square minus d square divide c square minus 2cd plus d square into 1 by cd plus d square. Look, c square minus d square we can write based on a square minus b square rule. We can write c plus d times c minus d, and here is also we can write, look, a minus b whole square. We know a square minus 2ab plus b square. So same thing is here. Here is c square minus 2cd plus d square. We can write c minus d whole square. Okay, times 1 divide, here is cd plus d square. We can take common d, so here is c plus d. Okay, now look, here is c plus d and here is c minus d. So c plus d we can cut, and here is c minus d and here is c minus d into c minus d, because in here c minus d whole square into 1 by d. Now this c minus d we can cut c minus d, so our answer is d times c minus d and numerator is 1. So 1 by d into c minus d. This is our answer.